Welcome to a new video, guys. Today we're gonna work on my car. You know, I got the car, we're gonna make more content out of it. I'm just gonna have some fun with it, show you guys what we're changing with it. So today we're gonna change the steering wheel. I've been waiting like a couple of weeks to get the parts for it. I ordered it.
Almost a month, it feels like.
Yeah, like it was a lot of issues with getting the parts and so on. So, but finally we got everything on our hands. We're gonna go pick up the car now, put it in front of the house. Gonna prepare everything, remove the battery so the airbag won't shoot up in our faces when we remove that, and then we're just gonna try to work it as smoothly as possible, and we'll see how it goes. We haven't really done this before, so you know, It is what it is, but hopefully it's gonna end up well. What do you think, Erik?
I mean, I've almost done this, but not the whole thing. I haven't removed an airbag, but I've removed my own steering wheel, but so it'll be interesting.
Boom.
For sure.
Look, this is how you cover up your car, right?
Sure.
I blame Erik, because this is Erik's
yes.
thing, and it's too small.
It's my cover, and I bought it for my small Miata, and his car is a little bigger, so it doesn't fit.
I really think like it's really the size of the car that's the issue. It's just the back wing.
Yeah, true.
That destroys it.
True, true.
Ta-da! Bro.
Nice.
Bro. Ta-da! We got a car! Woo!
Cold start.
Let's get this battery out to begin with, to be on the safe side.
What are you doing? And why do you need that?
Because I don't want to hold it up while doing this.
No, not this, the battery.
Oh, to not get the airbag in my face.
Yeah,
well,
but that would be more fun.
Yeah, but as I said to you earlier, I still prefer to have like an intact original steering wheel after this, if I once like need or want to change back to it.
But it's not as fun.
Bro, let's get some tools for this.
Nice.
Okay, there we go. Battery is disconnected. Now we have to just let this car sit for a while to make sure like that we're done with the battery.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and get some more screws and so on for one of the steering wheels that we're hopefully gonna get on the car today. We're gonna show you guys a little bit later in the video as well what we're talking about, but let's head to the store. Time to switch car then. We're going to the store.
Okay, bye. Nice.
Hello there.
Hello. I think there's a big hole here somewhere. Was it here? I think it's here.
Did you turn off the cam?
No. Yes.
Let's get in. Oh guys, look, this is the steering wheel we're working with.
Oh yeah.
Formula 1 AMG steering wheel.
Yeah.
Woo! Bro.
Pop-ups.
Let's go. Found the first things we need to attach the steering wheel to
the quick release? No, yeah, to the adapter.
To an adapter for then equipping it to the quick release. So I mean, this needs to go not through that, through this. Yeah, that sticks out quite a bit. Through this one. Should be fine. So, and then we put one of these on here. I don't even know if you can see this. I wonder if this even fits.
Yes.
Okay, so we just made it back from another run to the store. We started, as we showed, to like put the adapter and the steering wheel together. But yeah, so we picked up glue because the thing with adapter that Erik is fiddling with right now is that like we need the screws to put on the steering wheel to the adapter, and we need screws to put on the adapter to the quick release. And they're like attached from one side each, which makes it so we can't like put both on without like getting in the way for the other one.
Yeah, you need to put these on the adapter is here, which needs to go on the quick release first, and then you need to, after that's already on, you need to put these on, but you can't access the back here when the quick release is on. So
yeah. we're basically thinking of gluing these small little things onto the adapter, because if we do that, if they're on there, we can first put the adapter on the quick release, and then we can screw the steering wheel onto the adapter and get everything together. Time to start working on this airbag. I'm gonna see if I find what they were talking about. So first of all, we need to get these little things out, because there's screws behind here. So let's get started on this side. Let's see. We need to get this. I need a smaller screwdriver for that. Nice. So in here now, there's safety Torx, as they're called. I never seen those Torx before, but apparently it's like Torx with a little bit of a notch in it to make it tougher, to make it so you need to buy more tools to actually get the screws out, to get the airbag out. But we might want to wait a little bit now just to see, because Erik is working on the glue.
Gluing the nuts on here.
He's gluing nuts.
Yes.
This is the big moment, guys. We're gonna unscrew.
We're gonna make the car less safe.
I thought
that's the wrong way, I think.
No.
Oh no, never mind.
I thought you were gonna unscrew the. Give me 1 second. New tools. Attempt number 2. Nice. With bad tools.
Yes. Oh. So it's that one he's removing.
They're long boys.
Yes. Is it a long boy or a girl?
It's actually not that.
Oh shit! It's a boy.
It's a boy. Oh, this was not as bad. Bro, I'm scared.
Yes.
We're gonna remove.
Oh shit. Uh-huh. Boom.
Yeah. No, it should be fine, but I mean, I'm always gonna be skeptical.
Yeah. Good though. No. Okay, nice. Do
you see this?
Yes.
Do you even see what we're doing?
Yes. I mean, I want to get the whole shot if it explodes.
Okay, there we go. So we like unplug these small little things.
Uh-huh.
So I guess we...
Yeah, those. And then you, yeah, just take a screwdriver and just wire a little bit. Yep.
There we go. First one out.
Uh-huh.
Bosh. We did it.
And now you throw it away.
This is an airbag.
Nice.
This is a dangerous thing.
It's a bomb.
Guys, we might have a safety hazard with these tools.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Safety, always priority number 1.
The chrome isn't impact ready, but it's fine. Just hold it. Hey!
Woo! It smells good burned in the whole flipping car.
Good tool.
Okay, so this is off. Now the only issue is that this still needs to come off.
Yep.
So from what I've learned by watching some clips is that you put this on a little bit again.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, if you pull the steering wheel and that's not on, if you actually get it off, you will just pull the steering wheel and you just get it in your own chest. So
yes. Okay. So now you just pull and just whack it on the sides.
The pin is on. We whack.
Try to like turn it to this, like there.
You see, it's not even hard. I'm so good at this. Look, I have 1 bolt for you guys, or whatever that's called.
That was much easier than my steering wheel.
Oh shit! It's we got a steering wheel, guys. Let's go drive a car. Let's go. Guys, I got a spaceship.
Oh shit! No, it's the new Tesla.
Oh, the Blade.
Yes.
So hub is going on here. We're gonna start by screwing this on. we think we have it straight.
Yeah.
Straight as we can get it.
I mean, we'll know when it's on, and otherwise we just have to adjust it one tooth.
Yep.
But it should be straight.
So that's how much I can do it by hand, and then we need the tools again.
And that's, yes.
Let's go get tools.
That's good enough. Yep.
I think it's stuck.
Nice.
Boom.
That's good.
Another step done. But this is the annoying part now.
Oh yeah, what do you do with those? Weren't they supposed to be inside of the hub?
It's time to get the actual quick release on. So I'm thinking the easiest part should be just like get it off and just take this. Because this is the thing that's gonna be on the hub.
And you also need to connect the horn. The concerned look.
Ja, för vi har inga sladdar till tutan.
Okay, we realized that we needed the connector for the horn, so we had to take.
So we got this now.
Yes.
Because we got this now. This is like the base for the quick release. The thing that's gonna be stuck on the car. And we had these cables, and we like took them out. Like, wait, where do we put this?
We don't have a cable for the horn.
So basically, this first one goes in here, and then this one goes into this. So ground should be it. So we got screws here.
Yeah, put in at least 2.
Yeah, no, you don't like tighten one. You take one little bit here. Just make sure it's like actually stuck in there. Then maybe you take bottom.
Compact laser.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna end.
Yeah.
This looks kind of wonky with this like sticking out.
Yeah, a little bit.
The knob is on.
Nice.
The knob is on the car. So we got the quick release here. We got the adapter for the Formula 1 with the glued on connectors.
Masterpiece.
I mean, this is all bought on like Amazon.
Be careful so they don't sheep. Yes. No, the glue is just so you can see that we have to screw in the adapter to the quick release first. But then, when that's done, you can't put the nuts on behind.
Nope.
So that's why we glued them, so we can just thread the bolts through the steering wheel into the quick release, hopefully.
Guys, it's flipping done! We got the Formula 1 steering wheel on the quick release.
It actually looks like an F1.
Yeah, we're ready for this. We're ready for this.
They have a quick release on the real ones.
It's just sad. It looks like paddle shifters.
Yeah,
it's not really paddle shifters, but
it's close.
Let's go out. Let's try to put this on the car. Let's try. It's actually on there. I mean, this looks kind of cool.
It does look really cool.
Time for the first test drive. Steering wheel is with me. Boom. Let's start off the car. Okay, I mean this is a little bit sketchy.
But the paddle shifters.
This is a little bit sketchy for sure.
Yes.
Safety always priority number 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks fine.
That didn't sound too good.
That's fine.
Just need to check that there's no people coming. It's a little bit of a sketchy turnout here.
Yeah.
I mean, the only complaint I have right now for it is that it's super small.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
probably need a little small. Oh no, fuck.
Huh?
I have a
Airbag light.
airbag light blinking in my face.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a future problem.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, you need to give it a little bit of a test, of course. I mean,
It's not too
usually you don't have to turn more than that.
No. It feels stable.
Yeah. I mean,
Is it
it's
straight?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice.
I'm like-
At least good enough.
Yeah. Oh, look at my Formula 1 car.
Yep. I mean, they say the AMG F1 has a Formula 1 inspired steering wheel. Yep. This is more like a Formula 1 inspired steering
I'm
wheel.
before time. I'm before time. In a Nissan.
Exactly. It does look really cool,
Yeah, I
actually.
mean, to be honest, I'm surprised over like how sturdy it feels, though.
Yeah. I'm surprised those bolts are sturdy.
It's all good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, that's a test drive. It was fun. I must say I'm surprised. Like, it's better than I expected. Feels sturdy. I mean, it was interesting. Tight turns is a bit rough since it's like rather small and the car is still a bit tough to turn. But other than that, I'm positively surprised with it. I mean, overall, it went pretty smooth to get this car or get the steering wheel onto it and change everything. It went a lot smoother than what we expected, even though the actual Formula 1 steering wheel was a bit of an issue, but actually switching the actual steering wheel on the car to the quick release went super smooth, way smoother than what we expected, and if we just would have put a normal steering wheel on, it wouldn't be any issue whatsoever. So I'm super happy with the results. We still got the airbags with oh shit. Got the airbag, got the normal steering wheel. But yeah, so I'm super happy with it. Thank you, Erik, for the help today. It's been fun working together as always.
Yes.
And thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked the car content on the channel, because there will definitely be more. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel to not miss upcoming videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye!
AMG, it's in the game.